Do you want to know the one thing that could make 5 children wake up early without being caught twice? This. Growing up in Cameroon, mornings had a smell, and the moment that smell hit, everybody was up. Nobody needed an alarm. Nobody was forming, "I'm tired." You were up. You were dressed. You were in that kitchen, because if you came late, someone else would finish your share and nobody was sorry for you. My mom never measured anything, not once. Flour by eye, sugar by hand, salt, just a little, she would say. But somehow it was perfect every single time. How? I still do not know. I'm still trying to figure that out. This right here, this mixing, this was the moment the whole house knew breakfast was real. Not a promise anymore, just real. I make this now in my own kitchen, and I still feel it. That same feeling, like the morning is going to be okay. Maybe you have something like this too, a smell, a sound, a meal that takes you straight back. Tell me in the comment section, what was yours?